Ian, Team Iceland. Happy Saturday, you guys. So today is Menningarnótt in Reykjavik. So I'm going to be heading down to downtown to show you guys around the festival. Right now, I'm just sitting in the parking lot of Netto. My husband is grabbing some snacks so that we can make it through the day and document all the things for you. So Menningarnótt translates to culture night. And what it is basically a day full of tons and tons of activities in downtown Reykjavik. There are concerts, there are food trucks, there are bread decorating contests. I don't know, it's a thing. There's music, there's dancing, there's wine yoga, which I'm really interested in. There's just so many things. So I'm really excited to show you guys all of what's going on today. It's gonna be super fun. The weather is absolutely beautiful. Again, we cannot complain. So let's do it. Alright, I got my two favorite snacks, Barabel's caramel cashew and an energy drink. Okay, so back from Culture Night, Menningarnótt. Just a couple of tips for you guys if you are thinking about joining this festival. First of all, it happens always in the third weekend in August. So for the exact dates will change year to year, but you can always check visitreykjavik.com for the most accurate dates. I suggest if you're gonna join this festival, just be ready for a full day. The actual festival kicks off around 1 o'clock with an opening ceremony. The mayor's usually talking about culture and everything like that. And then they get right into the events, and the events go all day. So you can usually always check schedule for the day online. They have it every year. I kind of suggest either just walking around and seeing what you see, or really mapping out what you want to do. to. Otherwise, you know, it's just a free-for-all because there's literally things going on everywhere. I mean, you could start at one corner of the city and just walk through to the other corner of the city and have a full day that way. There's literally, like, you know, people's garages will open up and there'll be like a home band, you know, like a group of 3 girls performing, and people actually open their homes and serve waffles and coffee. There's just like people everywhere. It's so busy. There's music, there's singing, there's dancing. I saw karaoke this year, wine yoga. A lot of the museums will have entrance to look around and maybe tours and things like that. So literally there's just something for everyone. Also, this is a very kid-friendly zone, so definitely families can feel free, you know, to join this event. There's no age limit, and in general everything is free. So unless it's like a food truck on the side of the road, everything is free to join. So that's really awesome. One really important thing to note is that driving in the area and parking on this day is really difficult. So again, I suggest looking at the website before you go, because this could change year to year. But as of this year, what I experienced is there's a huge area of roads that are closed around the city center. So everything is completely closed off with cement barriers. You can't get through unless it's an emergency vehicle, obviously, and it's open to walking traffic, so no cars at all. And it's a huge perimeter around Reykjavik. So this affects people that are, for example, trying to get to their hotel within those roads, right? If you're arriving on this day and whatever. So just be really aware that you might not be able to get to your hotel if you're coming in on this day. I would just arrange separate transportation or taxi or something like that. And in terms of parking, there's obviously parking along the outside of the walled off zone. If you don't want to deal with any of that at all, then you could just be dropped off at Laugardalshut in Laugardalr, and then there's a free bus route that runs from there right into Flamer, which is just before downtown. That route is free. It will put you right where you need to be, and then you can walk. So I highly suggest doing that. Finding parking for us was pretty tough, so that's probably the way to go. Lastly, like I said, you could either be prepared to join for the entire day, or you could just do a portion of it. The first actual kickoff event starts at 1, and then the last thing that happens is a fireworks show at 11 p.m. So throughout this whole day, there's people everywhere, festivities going on, and it's so fun. Highly recommend Menningarnótt, and I hope you guys love this vlog. I really just try and capture the essence of the city when I'm taking these videos, and I really enjoy being able to share them with you guys. So if you love this vlog, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more vlogs like this, comment below and let me know what you want to see. Until next time.